With Pixlr's wide range of templates for various design purposes, it can save you time and help you create eye-catching visuals easily for your brand or for personal usage. Locate templates on the left side panel of both Pixlr X and Pixlr E's homepage. Browse through the template library to find the design you're interested in. Or to search for templates of a specific theme, go to the top right button here and select Pixlr Templates. Type in the keyword here and click the Search button. Once a template is selected, you'll enter Pixlr's editor. Here, you can customize every aspect of your design. Click on the Upload button to upload an image or logo from your computer. To replace the image in the template, simply right-click on the original image and choose Change Image. Use Pixlr editing tools to refine the design. Modify texts, colors, add elements, as well as animation until you are satisfied with the results. Click on the Save button when your design is ready. Choose the desired file format: PNG, JPEG, PDF, MP4, GIF, etc. to download your design. Pixlr Smart Resize is a tool that easily adapts your design layout to fit various sizes and aspect ratios, making it versatile for different platforms and purposes. Select the Layout and Template tab and click Smart Resize. Make sure the Smart button is selected. Then browse the available preset sizes for different platforms, such as social media, presentations, or print. Enter your desired width and height values if the preset sizes don't fit your requirements. As Smart Resize automatically adapts your design elements to the new canvas size, the need to rearrange and adjust the elements is minimal.